We could have, if it was possible, LHCs colliding beams, which is good for us, not for the visitors. But yeah, we have some things still that we can show you. We can take you underground just for the experience, probably. And nothing much there, but just kind of experience going down like 88 meters. Okay, 88 meters, yes. So before we start our introduction, some quick reminders about safety. So I hope everyone is wearing closed shoes, though it's already summer, so we have some visitors with floaters. But we still have some spares to offer you in case someone is in floater.
We've heard about the spares.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Okay.
What is the reason for closed shoes?
It's just for safety that something falls on you. The shoes gives you slightly more protection. Okay. So that's it, and you
Just
don't.
in case something falls down, you will not be affected, or you will not slide down when you have summer shoes.
Or you hit something and that
Yeah.
can, something, because there's stuff which can hurt you.
Yeah.
In shoes, you have slightly more protection. Direct skin contact can immediately hurt you. You may start bleeding and things like
But
that.
not any antimatter particles.
No. That probably is passing through our body, and we are missing this. We still have to find ways to look for that.
High heels also.
Okay, so no high heels, and if we have any pregnant women more than 6 months, then also we don't allow. It's just for the safety, because labor can come and we don't want. On the surface it's fine, but underground we do not allow that. Okay, and another important, if anyone has any active implants like a pacemaker or a hearing aid, then also we do not allow you to go down because we have a very high magnetic field magnet. In fact, it's the largest magnet that we have at CMS experiment. It's 3.8 Tesla. So for that reason, especially if you have a pacemaker, you are not allowed. With hearing aids, you can still take them out and come down, but the pacemaker you cannot. So.
I think I already said all the instructions, and they have already instructed by Milena, right?
No.
Just a quick.
Well, anyway, it's doesn't matter.
Anyway.
Yes, so you are going to divide in 4 groups.
Yeah.
2 are going to go underground now with 2 guides.
Yeah, me and Salim
Yes.
and everything.
Please,
First and fourth.
Please make sure that you're back in time, because at 4 we have to leave with the bus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is up to us actually, no?
Yeah.
You can rely.
And just to let everybody know that the 4 groups is not like you're going to see different things. It's just people
Exactly.
managing.
Exactly.
Everybody's going to see the same things. Nobody
It
will.
might be nice if you tell us your names and where you're
Yeah,
coming from.
yes.
We're coming to that.
So one last thing, as Ansar already told you, that we'll be dividing you in 4 different groups, and we invite all of you to ask questions. We will try to answer most of them. You can click photographs or make videos. We are not trying to hide anything. So yeah, we are from different backgrounds probably. My name is Varun. I'm from India, but I work for University of Wisconsin in US, and I've been part of CMS for last 14 years, working on dark matter searches, Higgs searches, and some detector stuff. So, yeah, that's about me.
Okay, welcome again. So my name is Deniz Sunar Çerçi. I'm from Turkey. I'm a professor in physics and working on behalf of the Yıldız Technical University in Turkey. So since 2010, I am working for the CMS experiment. Before I was working for the DAISY. At that time it was running, and I was working for the H1 experiment in Hamburg. So since last year we are based here and working as a DQM convener, and also doing some physics analysis together with the jets and the electroweak. And also I am another convener of the LHC electroweak working group responsible for the jets and boson. So you are very much welcome to ask questions, make comments, and I hope you will be enjoying visiting CMS.
Yeah, okay, my name is Salim Çerçi. I'm the physics professor from the Turkey Yıldız Teknik Üniversitesi. Also, I'm working in the CMS the last 2 years. I did my PhD also 20 years ago. Also, still we are working in the CMS.
Awesome.
Yeah, so I'm Ansar. I'm originally from Pakistan. I also came here a little bit more than a decade ago when I was a master's student. and then I did my PhD in Germany, and now I'm working as a postdoctoral researcher. I'm a physicist by training. I did a degree bachelor's in electrical engineering first, but now I'm a physicist, and I'll tell you what we do in detail. We'll look at that. But in terms of CMS, I'm involved in, we collect data and then we try to analyze. It's a bit of a detective work, where all of these things that we're seeing are coming from. What was the process that actually happened? This is one of the things. Then all of us are actually involved in some part of the detector, some subcomponent. So the one I work with is called CSC. We'll go into the details. And then we're also involved in CMS communications, which means the stuff that goes out of CMS for the general public. I'm partly responsible for that. Okay, so we're going to show you some videos first, and then we can take it from there.
Tops.
So now I think we are going to, as you have already seen many videos about this term, but now we would like to show you something more related with the CMS detector. So it's going to be about like 7 or 8 minutes, right? So and then afterwards we will be splitting in 4 groups.
For millennia, we've looked up to the stars and wondered about the nature of the universe and our place in it. How big is the universe? How old is it? What makes the stars shine? By performing fundamental research to answer these questions, scientists have helped advance our collective knowledge, bringing benefits to all of humanity. But far from extinguishing